Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone runs iOS 16. 1 or later, and the app you want supports live activities. Once done, install and sign into that app so it can deliver live data. Now, make sure your home screen has space. Press and hold an empty area until icons jiggle. Tap the plus button in the corner to open Widgets. This first step gets the system ready and triggers the app to register live activities with the OS, so you can place them quickly. You now pick and configure the live widget itself. From the widget gallery, find the app and choose a live or dynamic widget variant. Sizes matter because only supported sizes show real-time cards. Once selected, drag it to the home screen or lock screen area where you want constant updates. Make sure Preview shows live content. This ensures the widget is permitted to refresh. Tap Add Widget, then exit Jiggle Mode. Finally, open the app to activate its feed, so the widget begins receiving live updates. You finish by validating permissions and testing the live feed. Go to Settings and confirm background, app refresh and notifications are on for the app. These let the widget receive updates. Then generate a test event inside the app or wait for natural updates and watch the widget update in real time. If the widget stalls, force close the app, toggle background app refresh off and on, and reboot the iPhone if needed. If issues persist, check app updates. Developers often fix live activity bugs in recent releases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.